I'm excited about this cake, y'all. Did I just say y'all? Who am I? What's up guys, I'm back and I'm making a blueberry cake today. I'm gonna try to do a 2-layered cake. I've done these before, but I've been lazy over the past few years, so haven't done one in a really long time. Anyways, blueberries, not easy to bake with real fruit. I have no coloring today, nothing, so this is all natural. For this blueberry cake, we're gonna need 2 cups of baking flour, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, half a stick of unsalted butter, a teaspoon of lemon zest, cup of blueberries, 3 egg whites, 2 cups of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and ½ teaspoon baking soda. All right guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is start with the batter. Trying to separate egg whites here, guys. I'm going to add half of my buttermilk mixture to the egg whites. Let's add the vanilla, which you're supposed to be using like a teaspoon. Again, I eyeball things, I can't be bothered. Add that in with the egg whites. That's about a teaspoon. And with the other half, I'm going to add my vegetable oil. Let's do this. And mix again for like 2 minutes. Oh, I love this texture. Now let's add the next half of the liquids. And we're just gonna take our time in thirds. This looks really good, guys. And then we're gonna put it in the oven at 335 degrees, which is a little lower than normal just because we want it to be a little bit more moist. I'm kind of surprised how good this is turning out, guys. Call me Houdini. Now let's not forget about these. We have blueberries, I have about 1 cup. I'm going to dust them with flour so when I put them in, they don't sink to the bottom. That's a little trick if you didn't know. Dust it. I changed my mind. I'm not going to use a zest, I'm going to use a juice. Eyeballing it, I said I needed about a teaspoon. All right, last step, add the blueberries in, fold it in. Just like you fold. What do you fold like this? Nothing. Why do they call it folding? I'm excited about this cake, y'all. Did I just say y'all? Who am I? Like I'm from the South, y'all. Howdy, y'all. No, we're not doing that. Okay, you can see here, I messed up. I bought way too big of a pan. We're gonna figure it out. I plan on icing this cake and nothing's gonna get in the way of that. Nothing. Ooh, that looks so creamy and good. Shout out to Miss Fletcher, my high school home ec teacher. Like, you made me like baking. You were tough, but you were good. She would hate when I did this in class. This is not music class, don't bang anything. Toss these in the oven. Bye. Ew. Don't use that. We're back! I made the cakes. As you can see, they're done, they're chilled. The big one, I've cut around the side so it's the same size as the small one. I made part of the icing because for the Ermine icing, you have to do the flour, the sugar, and the milk in a pot. So I have to let that chill. I added blueberries to mine because I want the frosting to have blueberries as well. I'm a little extra. Blueberries in the cake, blueberries in the frosting, that's what we're doing. And now I'm gonna add this spoon by spoon into whipped butter. All that sugar. Ooh, all that purple goodness. I wanted the cake to have a purple look to it, and I'm getting that. I'm really happy. Yes, honey. Get you a man that's clean. Get you a man that can cook. Get you a man. Just get you a man. I'm gonna do a crumb coat first. Take our first layer. Plop on some of this good old icing on it. I just want to make sure everything's covered. Now we're going to add the second layer. Add some more of this Ermine frosting to it, and we're just going to cover all the sides and the top, just like that. Smooth it out. As you can see, there's whole chunks of blueberries in my frosting. That's really what I was going for, and I'm happy with it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just making it go on the sides, and then we freeze it. Then you can come back and do another coating where it all stays. I'm in love with this cake. And we're back. Finally, final stage. This has been chilled, final coating, and then I'm gonna slice into this because I've actually tasted a piece of the cake already, and I love the icing. So I just wanna get into it. Doesn't this look beautiful, guys? Can you see this? It's like ice cream. Oh yeah.
It's a lot.
That is a lot. Sorry. One sec. What I love about this frosting as well is that I have real fruit in it, and you can see the fruit, you can taste it. Oh my god. I feel like I need to open a pastry shop now. I mean, I bake all the time. Nah, couldn't do this every day. Once a week's enough for me. I'm not lying when I say it's easy, it really is. But if you got a life outside of this, then who wants to be doing it more than once a week?
Thank God you don't.
This has no sharp edges, but it can really impale you if I try hard enough. All of a sudden they think they're like the laugh track to my life.
People like the voice behind the camera.
No one wants to hear it. For the moment of truth, let's get into this. Oh my gosh. I'm nervous and I'm excited at the same time. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. You see how clean that comes out? Amazing, guys. Holy moly. Look at that.
Perfect.
Get out of my shot.
I don't think I'm in it.
Oh god. All right, to finish her off, let's add some blueberries and take a bite. Oh, this looks so good. Ah! For the moment of truth. Oh my goodness. I love blueberries. Look at how clean that is. One of my blueberries ran away. All right. This is so good. This is amazing. The icing is great. I chose this icing because I'm not a big fan of eggs, as you guys know from my last baking video. I didn't have to use any eggs in this. The cake is moist, it's light, it's sweet, it's so good. You can taste all the blueberries. It's perfection. I'm in love with this. I want to make this again. No time soon because it takes a long time. It's a very easy cake to make. Making the cake itself did not take me much time to do, as you guys could see. But the process for the icing was like a lot. It was a lot of waiting, cooling, stirring over heat. So that was not my favorite part, but it's all worth it in the end, I promise you. It's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends if you care. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye. Hey, beautiful humans. I have so much more content. Come on, watch my shit.